So today, good evening, everyone. I'm Soumyadeep Ghosh, and today I'm going to showcase you guys the Snap KCM, how you can manage elegantly your snaps from KDE. So, what's the issue? Why do you need this? Well, somewhere in between the releases of Plasma 6, Plasma 5, there was an option in Discover to manage the permissions of your snaps via GUI. A cool one, a great one. But in between somewhere, it got lost. Issues like this get posted all over the bugs and this, and I was like, okay, I'm also a terrible victim of this problem, and I need to find a fix. And I went ahead and I got a solution that looks like this. What is this? This is a system module that's inside the system settings of KDE, and you just go inside it, click some buttons, and voila, you change permissions easily. You don't need to write snap connections, blah, 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 snap connections, blah, 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 again and again. And yeah, it's pretty easy, quite simple, elegant, and that's it. Wait, I've seen that before. It's in GNOME Control Center, right? It's there for like pretty long time now. But why we are not just copying the logic that's used in GNOME and pasting it in KDE? Well, the GNOME Control Center cannot have access to the apps that are CLI apps that doesn't have any extra file in it. So I cannot manage apps that are like, for example, YQ, YTDLP, or many other like system administrator apps that are basically rigorous CLI apps. Well, that's where the KCM solution comes in. You follow the unique philosophy. You do it once, your tool do it once and do it great. And sorry. And here is the tech stack. I don't think I need to explain more about Qt and C++, but I would like to go a little bit about snapd-glib. Well, when I started working on this thing, snapd-glib had a good documentation about the API references, but not about the REST endpoints that it was actually communicating with of snapd. Like for example, yeah, I know this endpoint or this API gives me all the snaps that are installed, but well, how can I get the plugs associated with this and with each of the snaps? There was no documentation. What I ended up doing was basically reverse engineering all the API endpoints of snapd and understanding, okay, so after calling this endpoint, I'll have to do that endpoint, and okay, this glib API is C, and I use the Qt wrapper. So it was basically first understanding the C and then looking into, okay, this thing is wrapped by this Qt API, and well, I'm gonna use that, and yeah, that's the whole story. Like I went ahead, I went debugging the snapd REST endpoints, and well, things sorted out, and it looked like that solution that I made here. Sorry, the clicker is not this. This is the latest one. I hope this looks good, and we are already working on this. Sadly, I couldn't make a demo, but well, you can just install it from the PPA that I have it, and that's it. Thank you so much.